Meaning of fractal.
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 Fractal. A fractal is a complex and self-similar geometric pattern that repeats itself infinitely at different scales. It is characterized by the property of self-similarity, which means that smaller parts of the pattern resemble the whole pattern itself. Fractals have been widely studied in mathematics, science, and art due to their unique and intriguing properties. They can be found in various natural phenomena like coastlines, clouds, and snowflakes. The study of fractals has led to the development of many practical applications, including computer graphics, image compression, and cryptography.